Chapter 13, Sample Problem Number 7. The simple pendulum in case A consists of a mass m attached to a massless string of length L. If the mass is pulled to one side a distance and released, it swings back and forth. Cases B, C, and D are variations of this system, and we are asked to rank the oscillation frequency of the masses. So we're going to go through that the period of a pendulum depends on its 2 pi times the root of L over G. And what we can see most importantly here is no M. The mass is unimportant. So that says that A and B are going to be the same, and C and D are going to be the same. Next, for the period, we can see that the ranking would be the longer the string, the longer the period. So we'd have A and B are more than C or D. But we don't want that. We want the frequency, which is 1 over the period. So that gives us a ranking that is in reverse. C and D have the higher frequency, and A and B have the lower frequency. And that's what we would end up with.